Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down here on the river at Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today what we're going to do for you is we're going to add a recipe to our slow cooker series. We're going to do some 3-cheese broccoli soup in the slow cooker. We're going to bring you in closer and we'll see what we're working with today. Alright, everybody, we got you in closer. What we're going to, this is the ingredients we're going to use today. We're going to use some flour, a white onion, some butter, broccoli florets, some medium sharp cheddar, salt and pepper. Looks like to be 8 ounces of this Velveeta loaf, and we're using Parmesan cheese, and maybe 1 or 2 cans of evaporated milk, and some chicken broth, and we're going to cook it in the slow cooker. So we're going to get back to you when we get this process going. Everybody, we added a 1/4 cup of butter to this. Got the butter, 1 white onion. Alright folks, we're going to saute these onions for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're going to add some flour. We'll get back to you then. Add a 1/4 cup of flour and stir fast. Alright, our flour is all browned up, and we're going to add our evaporated milk, 12 ounces. Everybody, we're going to add our mixture to our slow cooker here. All right, everybody. So we'll add in our whole container of chicken broth. Do it how you like. Then we're going to add some half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we have the huge bag of broccoli florets because we couldn't find the other bag, the little itty bitty bag, yeah. So we like broccoli here on the river, so it says usually calls for about 8 ounces. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to put as much in as we want. Since Miss Katie and Miss Kathy, we love broccoli and cheese soup here. So we're going to go ahead, and what do you think, babe? Add a little more?
Maybe just a smidge.
Just a smidge more?
Yeah.
It's going to cook down pretty good because we're going to cook it for 4 hours. So, you know, we'll put a little bit more in. There we go. Yeah. Just put as much broccoli as you want in. If you're a big broccoli people and you like broccoli, just go ahead and just throw it to her. And make sure you cover it all up. So what we'll do is we'll get this thing on the 4-hour cook, and we'll get back to you when we add the cheese. All right, we're back. It's been 4 hours, and we're bubbling. So we're going to go, yeah, bubble. Ooh, look out. We're going to go ahead and put our cheese in.
Throw it in.
Just going to put it in, and I'm going to stir it up here. There we go. Just going to stir it up. You gotta stir this until it's melted, folks. So that could take a while. So we're gonna stir it until it melts. And we got 1 cup of Parmesan. Okay. And half a cup of, well, at least we say it's medium sharp cheddar. We're gonna stir this in, and we should get back to you with the final product. All right, we got this broccoli, 3-cheese broccoli soup stirred up to where all the cheese is melted. We're going to go ahead and spoon up a bowl for a taste test. Soup. Let's go ahead and there we go. Look at that. Still piping hot. Let's go ahead and get a taste of this. Oh man, baby.
Is it good?
Do you want to get a spoon of this? Give you a little taste test. You ain't gonna be on the camera, but you won't like to.
Ooh.
Mmm.
That's good.
Wow. Guys, if you didn't have no broccoli and cheese soup taste like this, wow. That is rich. It tastes phenomenal. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Just hit show more. All my affiliate links are there. Give this a try. And a slow cooker took 4 hours and about 15-20 minutes. And you got broccoli soup. Folks, check it out. Like I said, the recipe's in the description box. Hit show more with all my affiliate links. If you like it, hit subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. When you hit subscribe, hit that little Weber Smoky Mountain. It'll let you know when I upload. And wow, this is such a good recipe. Folks, share it with your friends and family in the world. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.